In 5.6.2, we're calculating the volume of geometric shapes. The first one is of a rectangular prism. So the way we do it is we would just multiply the length times the width times the height. 19.5 times 40.95 times 31.2, and we would get 24,913.98. Next one, find the volume of a freezer. We'd do the same thing, 4.9, this is in feet, times 2.3 times 2.6, and we would get 29.302. Next one. An aquarium, let's do this one. How many gallons will fit into an aquarium that is 47.79 long, 17.7 wide, and 33.63 high, and a gallon is 231 cubic inches? So we would still multiply the 79 times the 17.7 times the 33.63. But then when we get that answer, we would divide it by 231 to get 123.1 gallons. Rectangular tank at a fish hatchery, you would just multiply the meters. A volume of a cube, well, it's going to be 19.4, but it's on each side, so we'll just to the third. And that's where the word cube comes from, is that it's you cube a cube and you get its volume. Volume of a sphere. For the volume of the sphere, you use the formula that says it's 4/3 times pi times radius, which in this case is 7.3 to the third, and you get 1629.51. Now it says the diameter. So the first thing you're going to have to do is to take the diameter divided by 2, and you get 17 halves. Use the pi key on your calculator. So we would take fraction 4/3 times pi times 17 halves to the third is 25272.44. Next one is a cylinder. Okay, so we would have a cylinder is pi. Oops, we got to get the pi key. Shift pi times the radius, 41 squared, times the height, which in this case is 246, and we get 1299130.24 millimeters cubed. Find the volume of this silo. Okay. So treat the silo as though it were two separate things. You've got a hemisphere on top, and then you've got a cylinder. Oops. Come on now. Cylinder on the bottom. The hemisphere is 4/3 pi times radius, which in this case is 6.5 cubed. But since it's a hemisphere, we're going to take half of it and add the cylinder, which is pi times 6.5 squared times the height, 15.5. So on our calculator, fraction 4/3. oops, let's do this. Fraction. Come on now. And then do the fraction 4/3 times pi times 6.5 cubed over 2, because it's only half a sphere, it's not a whole sphere, plus the cylinder, which is pi times 6.5 squared times the height, 15.5, and we get 2632.52 cubic inches. And I believe that's it. If you have any questions, you know what to do.